Hey Math Journey, here's a math puzzle that might seem impossible at first glance. But with a little insight, it becomes surprisingly elegant. We're tackling a nested function. The function f of x is defined as x squared minus 2. We apply this function 10 times starting with the value 8 and 1/8. The question is, what is the floor of the result after 10 applications of the function? This value equals a prime number p raised to the power of a positive integer n. Your goal is to calculate the sum of p and n. Curious? Let's dive in. Before we tackle this together, take a moment to think about it. I'll give you a few seconds to ponder and come up with your solution. First, let's break down the function. The function, f of x squares its input and then subtracts 2. The starting value, 8 and 1/8, can be rewritten as 8 plus 1 divided by 8. This particular form is chosen because it simplifies beautifully when the function is applied. Consider the expression m plus 1 over m. To simplify the problem, we'll analyze how f of x behaves when applied repeatedly to values of the form m plus 1 over m. When we apply f to m plus 1 over m, the result becomes m squared plus 1 divided by m squared. This means that each application of f squares both the numerator and the denominator of the fractional part. Let's test it with our starting value. Start with 8 plus 1/8. Applying f once gives 8 squared plus 1 divided by 8 squared. Applying f second time gives 8 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2, plus 1 divided by 8 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2. You can already see the pattern forming. Each iteration of f squares the current value, making it grow rapidly. Now, let's see what happens after 10 iterations. After the 10th application, the result is 8 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 10, plus 1 divided by 8 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 10. The floor function simplifies this. Since the fractional part, the term 1 divided by 8 raised to a very large power, is extremely small, the floor of the result is simply 8 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 10. We can simplify this further. Recall that 8 is the same as 2 cubed. So, 8 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 10 becomes 2 cubed, raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 10. Using the laws of exponents, this equals 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2 raised to the power of 10, which is 2 raised to the power of 3072. This means the floor of the nested function is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3072. Here's the key insight. The prime number p is 2. The exponent n is 3072. The question asks for the sum of p and n. Adding them together gives 2 plus 3072, which equals 3074. And there you have it, the final answer is 3074. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Math Journey for more fun math adventures. Now that you've seen the answer, how did you do? Were you able to crack it? Let me know in the comments. And share this video with a friend who loves brain teasers to see if they can solve it without peeking at the solution.